Okay, guys, I'm going to talk to you about Symbolab. It's a free website online. We're going to talk about how we can use it for calculus concepts, in particular integrals. Again, website Symbolab right up at the top. Now, when we get to the website, there are some features that are free. There are some features that you have to pay for. So we're going to focus in this particular tutorial on how to access the free resources, and then we'll get into what you might have to pay for. So the main part of the website, the basic calculator, allows us to enter in a variety of problems. We're going to focus on two. We're going to focus on definite integrals and indefinite integrals. And what it allows us to do is quickly check a problem that we might be working on to see if we're doing it right. So it's great for homework, it's great for quiz or test prep, and it's great for looking back at class notes to see, oh, how did we get that answer, and so on. So let's take a look at two. Again, I'm going to do a definite, indefinite integral. Let me start with the indefinite integral. So obviously, I could just select one of these that they're bringing up, but I'm going to type in my own. Let's say I want to see if I did 2x plus 3 dx correctly. I type it in. A great feature here is that I can make it look on screen just like it looks on my paper. I think that's a big advantage for something like this. Click on the Go button. And not only is it going to provide me with the answer, but it's going to show me some steps. So if I expand these tabs here, it's going to show me the steps to getting that answer correct. And it's also going to show me the graph of the integral. So again, very, very easy to not only type it in, but to check the answer and take a look at the steps. The same thing is going to be true if I try one of the definite integrals. So let's say I'm trying to evaluate an integral from -1 to 2, let's say x squared plus 2x plus 1 dx. Click on Go. Again, it gives me the answer, which is 9, but it also shows me some steps, and it'll show me the graph of the definite integral, which is the area under the curve. So that's a great visual to show me what I actually just calculated. Very, very easy website to use. It's quick. Again, it's free. Now, let's talk about this little light bulb that I see here. This is where we start getting into the kind of the paid features. So if I were to click on that, see how it says click here to practice? At first, it kind of looks like, oh, great, I'm going to be able to do like a little practice quiz. But the problem is when I put in an answer, I'm just going to put one number in here. If I go to verify, this is where it's the upgrade comes into play. So I'm not going to be able to access the quizzes unless I choose to upgrade. However, I do have access to these tutorials down here. So I can click on, let's say, the constant rule, and I'm going to be able to access that video tutorial on that particular concept. So although the free version doesn't let me do the quizzes, it still gives me access to the video tutorials. So in general, guys, I think this is just a great resource because of the fact that it's free. It's very easy to use. It allows you to enter the integrals exactly as they appear on your paper. So I encourage you to use it and kind of get the most out of the website that you can.